Hi, my name's Seren. I've recently completed an apprenticeship in business administration with North Wales Police, and I've recently won the Apprentice of the Year award in business management. I chose to do an apprenticeship as I felt it was a good stepping stone into North Wales Police. I've always wanted to work there. Yeah, learn while you're earning, and I think it's a good way to go. So I've always wanted to join North Wales Police, as my mum's worked there for a really long time, and it's just really interested me. There's so many different career paths that you can take, staff or police officer, so yeah, loads of different job opportunities there. I feel the best things about the apprenticeship I've completed was I've learnt so many new different skills. I've got experience now working in an office-based skills, and I was also earning on the side, which is an extra bonus. My employer's been really supportive throughout my apprenticeship, always helped me with my college-based work, give me examples to use, and they're really flexible and really supportive, yeah. Oh, I had a great relationship with my assessor. Her name was Paula. She was really helpful. Anything I needed, she was there on the other side of an email to answer me. She came to visit me as well, which was nice. Seeing somebody in person to do the work, yeah, it was nice. I would definitely recommend an apprenticeship to my friends and family, as they're a really good way to start off in an organisation or your career. You gain experience and new skills, which I don't feel you'd get if you went to uni as much, and yeah, I'd really recommend it. Winning this award is amazing, yeah, really amazing to recognise all the work I've done throughout my apprenticeship, yeah, really good.